Welcome guys. Let's do NKN coin technical analysis and price prediction. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. Let me please show you information. After that I will show you charts. Current rank of NKN is 188 and price is 30 cents right now. Market cap of NKN coin is $211 million. Fully diluted market cap of NKN coin is $302 million. 24-hour trading volume of NKN is $6.9 million. Circulating supply of NKN coin is 700 million and total supply and maximum supply is 1 billion. Let me please show you some information. All-time high of NKN coin was on April 9, 2021, about 9 months ago, and price was $1.48. All-time low of this token was on March 13, 2020, about 2 years ago, and price was just 0.006411. NKN return on investment is 218%, and it is available on Binance, Coinbase, Gate.io, Bittrex, Coinbase. And if you want to buy this token on Binance Exchange or UB Exchange or other exchanges, just go to in this video's description or comment section where you can find these links. Click on these links and register your accounts. After registration, you have to deposit. After first deposit, you can claim these bounces. These bounces are absolutely free and these bounces are tradable, but only condition is that you have to deposit. After first deposit, you can claim these bounces. Trade with these bounces only, put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Let me please show you website of this token. New kind of network, easy to use, optimized routing, private and secure delivery. Solutions in the NKN ecosystem, NMobile, NConnect, and some other important features. Here you can see solving all the problems today internet can't. Millions of node, aggregate high speed, zero server, unique and global ID, extra security and privacy, low latency. Build your own software based on NKN. Here you can see JavaScript, C++, Java, iOS, Android. Full nodes 123,000. Regions and countries 53. Blocks, and here you can see transactions. That is why this is important token. And let me please show you first chart. This is NKN coin USDT pair 4-hourly chart, and currently price is at 30 cents right now. This blue line is main trend line, and you can say it is a support line. It have to support. Here you can see price touch this line, and after that price bounce back several times. Here you can see, and here you can see price also bounce back from here. If in any case price break this, in that case price can go down to 26 cents, maybe 21 cents, and maybe 16 cents. These white lines are support lines and these blue lines are over horizontal resistances, or you can say overcoming targets. Current price is 30 cents and first target is 33 cents. After that, next target is 39 cents, 44 cents and 53 cents. These are the targets. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. EMA ribbon is bearish. Candles break this, and that is why once candle closing above this zone, 35 cents price area, candles will break this EMA ribbon. After that, upside rally will start. Currently it is bearish. That is why maybe price can retest 26 cents, maybe 21 cents. And let me please show you other indicators. MACD. 4-hour MACD crossover is now towards upside, and this is a good sign. But we have to wait for the big move. And let me please hide this. And let me please show you. If I zoom this, here you can see these lines are overcoming targets. But for these all targets, it must have to break this horizontal resistance, which is 35 cents price area. Once it break this, in that case, upside rally will start. Otherwise, maybe price can further go down. And here you can see this is complete chart. Note down these levels. Let me please show you daily chart. In daily, it is in this descending wedge and it is a bearish pattern, and currently price is at 30 cents right now. Major support is at 24 cents, after that 17 cents, and after that very low 5 cents. I don't think price can go down to 5 cents, but maybe 24 cent price can retest this zone, and after that we see a upside move. We have to wait until it break this towards upside or towards downside. If it break towards upside, in that case our target would be, let me please show you, in that case our target would be 69 cents price area, and if it break towards downside, then 24 cent and 17 cents, these are major support zones. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Let me please show you. Candles are below from this EMA ribbon. Candles have to break this area, which is 40 cents price area, and in that case candles will break this upper trend line of this descending wedge, and the candles will break this EMA ribbon. After that upside rally will start. This box area is now very important, 40 cents price area. After that, once price break this and close daily candle above this box, definitely upside rally will start. And let me please show you daily MACD. Daily MACD unfortunately cross over towards downside and red towers are coming. That means maybe in daily chart price we may see price drop, and we have to be very careful. Let me please hide this, and let me please show you some CPR levels. Currently CPR levels are very bearish because candles break this CPR support zone and candles are about to hit this bearish CPR, which is at 26 cent. Candles must have to hold this, otherwise price can go down to the same level where this support line exists, and this is second CPR and it is 17 cents price area, and this area is very important. Once candle closing above this box, in that case candle will break this EMA ribbon, candles will break this horizontal trend line of this descending wedge, and after that candles will get support from these CPR lines. That is why this area is very important, 40 cents price area. Once candle closing above this area means definitely upside rally will start. After that maybe price can hit for 51 cents. Maybe this is monthly CPR targets. Price can hit these targets within month of January. These are targets. These are bullish targets. These are bearish targets. Unfortunately, we are in bearish zone. Let me please delete all these things, and let me please hide this, and let me please show you some fib levels for trading. Currently price break this fib level, which is very important, and 0.78 fib level, and it was at 35 cents price area. Unfortunately candles break this. Next target is this area, 19 cents, and it is 0.88 fib level. Once candle closing above this zone, 35 cents price area, in that case candles will break this fib level. After that 0.61 will definitely come, and it is at 60 cents price area. After that 0.5, which is very important, and it is at 78 cents price area. Currently we are in bearish zone. We have to wait until it break 35 cents. After that 40 cents price area, until we are in bearish zone. Once price break 35 cents and 40 cents price area, definitely upside rally will start. Otherwise maybe price can go down to touch this zone, 20 cents, maybe 19 cents. This is my technical analysis, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, and please share this video with all of your friends and crypto community. And if you want to grab these bounces, $9,180 bounces of these exchanges, just go to in this video's comment section and where you can get these links. Click on these links and register your accounts. After registration, you have to deposit. After first deposit, you can claim these bounces. These bounces are absolutely tradable. Trade with these bounces only, put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. In Bybit, you can trade with 4100 absolutely free. In Phemex, you can trade with 4100 absolutely free. But only condition is that you have to deposit for this trading. Thanks for the watching and always keep supporting me. Take care.